Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time you've been here, Green Country Customs, I'm Jeff. We are painting crankbaits. If you want to see some detail about how to do a crawl pattern, we've got some Bomber 6As today. We're going to be putting the Okiw Craw pattern on, and we're going to show you every detail, every paint that we use in order to incorporate that particular pattern. If you're a returning visitor and subscriber, thanks for coming back. We're going to spray some paint. Come on with me. All right, we've got our Bomber body here. We've got a white base coat on it. I've also done this with a black base coat. If you want a little bit darker of the olive, or I call it green pumpkin portion of this bait. So, and that's what we're going to start with. We've got our brush. Brush is all loaded up. Basically, there's two colors that goes into this, a leaf green and a dark brown. And we're going to leave the belly, but we're pretty much going to cover the majority of this bait with the green pumpkin. Don't forget your tail section. And I like it for this particular color, 2 coats or gets it to about the right color. We're not worried about the top. We're going to be going over the top with our blue a little later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 of these on camera, and I may edit it out, but I've got 2 of these great Bomber. This is a body that, man, I haven't thrown in a long time, to be perfectly honest with you. Got into the Strike King, 3XDs, 4XDs, 5XDs, all that stuff, even the big stuff. 6 Sense baits, Lucky Craft, you name it. I need to get back to throwing some of these Bombers. They are fish catchers. So, again, 2 coats of your green pumpkin if you do the ratio that I did. And I'll just tell you, 4 drops of this to 2 drops of the dark brown will get you where I'm at on the ratio. Okay, so we'll do a quick heat set on these just to make sure I don't smudge it or get a fingerprint in it. And next, we're going to put an orange belly on, and I like to do that by just taking that off the hook hanger. What's this? That's black. All right, here's our orange. Yeah, throw the lid on it. And this is just a transparent, not a fluorescent. Gonna get it up here where it blends nicely with that. And I like a good saturated color, 3 or 4 passes there. We'll come back and add segments, possibly to the belly after this, but for now, we're going to go to our black airbrushes. I've cleaned a few of them, and I got a few more to go. So we're just lining it up where I got a little bit of that orange. A little too much pressure going on here. That's all right. This pattern has a lot of splatter. Next thing is our back color. Throw that old blue down that back, boy. Yeah. And this just ain't your old regular blue. This is a pearl blue. All these baits he's got have got these little dimples on top. Every one of them have had that I've done so far. So something in the mold of the manufacturing is probably pretty old. All right. Those are looking good. Hey, we're real close, baby. Let's see. We're going to put our black eyes on while we got our black brush. Black in the... I got to stand that up. I'm going to go ahead and add a few segments onto the belly of these two. All right, that took a few seconds. All right, you use about anything. I'm going to use this little pattern here. And we're just going to go lightly. Folks, this is going to be the Okiw Craw. Again, green pumpkin brown, showed you that, went into this. Just an old pearl blue, transparent orange, black for all of our markings. That makes up for a great pattern called the Okiw Craw. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Guys, I appreciate that. Leave comments. Tell me if you think this bait will be productive in your home waters. If you got a pattern out there you'd wish for me to try after I get through with all of these custom orders I've got stacked up, we'll get to it. Until next week, Green Country Baits, signing out.